as you can see my screen over here that I have a particular atom ready for you, right? So we can actually create a new file over here and we can save this file as loops.py, right? So we can save this file in the C drive, and then we have our Python folder over here, and then we can use that as loops.py. We can save it over here, and now we have a particular variable known as count equal to 0. Perfect, right? Now we have a particular kind of a while loop, and this while loop is nothing but count less than equal to 5, right? So this count less than equal to 5 is nothing but a particular kind of a condition, and this loop is going to work only if the condition gets true, right? So it basically says that count is less than equal to 5, right? Basically count is less than equal to 5, then it's going to print giving us hello, hi world, right? So we can say that count is basically incremented by 1 over here, and then after that particular loop gets over, we will say loop over. Perfect, right? You can save this file, and now we have our command. We'll first change the directory to cd, then we have C drive, then we have Python over here, and then we have loops.py. Yeah, perfect. As you can see my screen here, hi world gets printed. Total number of times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? It's basically get printed 6 number of times, and then it basically prints loop over after the condition gets false, right? Now I'm going to show you more about this by using the example of for loop, right? How we can implement this in for loop? Let's see. We have this. Now we can print for count, and we have a list over here as we have discussed in the example 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it's going to print me nothing but count, right? Okay, so here it's basically nothing but a for loop, and that condition gets removed over here, and after that condition gets satisfied, the loop gets over, it's going to print me nothing but blast off, right? Perfect. Now we can actually run this program. Okay, so yeah, as you can see my screen, it's written 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and after that it's written blast over, right? So now what happens, you might be wondering, can actually be used in floating point number as well? Of course, we can use it in floating point number like 4.3, 3.2, 2.1, and 1.0. We can also use it. Then we are going to print it on the command prompt, and let's see what happens. Here as you can see my screen that it's written 5.5, 4.3, 3.2, 2.1, and 1.0, and after the loop gets over, it reads blast off at the end of the program when the condition gets false, of course. Now what happens that when it's basically going to show me like this, can we write hi, then we have key, right? We have saved this file, perfect, and then we have print count. Now what happens, is it going to perform in strings also? Let's see this. Yeah, perfect. It actually works on any numeric format. It actually works on the integer format. It actually works on the string format. It actually works on the floating point numbers as well. So we are able to say that it shows hi Kitty, and then in the last line it basically says blast off, right? Perfect. So bye bye guys, take care. See you in the next lecture, wherein we are going to study more about breaks and continuous steps. Stay tuned.